So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit image opacity here on Easel. So once you have the Easel application opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to add an image into your design. So to do that, go to the right side of your screen, press on the images button right here, then go to where it says my images. So you can either add, your own images, you can upload an image, but I'm going to go ahead here and just use stock images for this design or for this example. I'll then scroll down and how about use this example of what appears to be an island right here, or an ocean, an island, whatever it is. So if you want to edit the text, or edit the image opacity, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the image, go to the top left here to where there's this option right here in the top bar that says opacity. Press on that, and if you drag this little circle to the left, you make the image more see-through or transparent. And if you drag it back to the right, you bring it back to normal. So pretty straightforward, but that is how you guys can edit image opacity here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.